Hello, family. My name is Joe L. Brown Jr., and I am your welding coach on all platforms. And today, briefly, I wanted to take a moment to talk to you about the skills that pay the bills. Now, I'm a representation of welding because welding is what I use to save my life. But when it comes to skills, fam, you can pick whatever skill that you like, whatever skill you enjoy, because there are several on the list that can improve you and make you better. The main thing is to get yourself in a position to get better. And if welding is something you can use, and the one thing I love about welding is, let me just clear up a couple myths. You don't have to have a GED to become a great welder and to get a job welding. You don't have to have a high school diploma. You don't have to go to a big, high paying welding school to become a great welder. Family, all you have to do is get started. Be physically able to do the work and be humble to learn the knowledge and get yourself around the right program, get yourself around the right job, around the right mentor, around the right tutor, whatever you need to do. It's available to you. And that's one thing I love about welding, because a lot of the trades, they hinder you from getting in them because you got to have a GED. This one you don't. And when you're trying to change your life, especially people from rural areas, those type of things that hinder us from getting better, not knowing we can get better over time. So that's one reason why I use welding and I stand behind it, because it had changed my life. And I went from believing in it at first. When I got introduced to it, I didn't even have a GED. But I had to get a GED before I entered into the welding program. And then I got a chance to get the welding program. And after I achieved that 1440 hours, I ended up going to small business management, a course that I took, a 6-month course in college for small business management. Everything I believed in, fam, I invested in. So all I'm saying is, fam, as long as you get started, you can change your life. Everything that I represent today is brand, my brand, Hog On Welding. Hog On Welding was the first business that I started, the first brand, the first logo I created to say, hey, I'm going to do this. 2016, fam, it's been 10 years today, so I've been getting my hog on. And my channel on YouTube has been documented. You can go to Hog On Welding, it'll pop up Hog On TV, you'll see the hog, because I renamed that 3 times. So I did that because when I started my journey, it was Hog On Welding. I was learning the system, and you're gonna see I didn't know how to shoot the videos or nothing. Then I turned into the Hog On University. And from the Hog On University family, I started teaching and doing my things there, and I ended up getting contracts and opportunities. And then from there, I started turning it to more of a lifestyle because it had documented my whole journey. So now it's Hog On TV. I use it to blog, I use it to highlight, I use it to educate, I use it to just pop up different random topics in my shorts to keep people aware of and stay conscious of change, skills, what's going on in life and the government, just all around conversation. And I just get my hog on with it now, fam. And that's what I want to show you in real time. I did it, fam. I documented the journey. And I remember being young saying, you know, we always look up to heroes and people that we believed in, and we know they came from this hood, or we know they came from this area, but we missed that middle piece. How they get to this spot where they at? I documented my journey on Hog On TV. Bad jobs, conversations, discouragement, crying, situation with kids, family, the whole nine, fam. I documented it because I wanted to be transparent and I wanted to really reach the youth. And I know me being the OG or what they call me, both, you know what I mean? I'm 46 years old and I want to be transparent. I can't help them if I'm lying to them, if they know I'm not telling them the truth, if I'm not showing them the journey. I'm showing them my full journey. I made mistakes, fam, but I got back up. It said a righteous man will fall several times and get back up. As long as your heart is right, you're going to get back up, fam. Just stay focused. And my whole goal is to teach you how to use the skills to pay your bills. Right now, family, I'm at Arkansas Baptist College, and we're building an excellent program. And I have students coming in from the adult education program, family, getting their GEDs, stepping up, leveling up their lives. Not only are they learning welding, they're learning fabrication, fam. They're learning basic life skills of how to show up and how to be on time and job readiness. And also they learn entrepreneurship, because everyone don't want to go get a job. Some people have a little finances and ideas to start a business or want to sell something online or want to start their social media journey, because things are going in that direction. Having a personal brand. I'm giving them options, fam. I'm not trapping no one in the house showing them this one way. I'm giving you many ways to win. So I appreciate those who've been supporting me, who've been following the mission. You can now check out the website, yourweldingcoach.com. I'm going to have coming soon, a learning hub on there, fam. If you want to learn, you can go on there. You can take little tests. You can watch videos straight from me. You can learn from me, fam. And you can be able to level yourself up. And all I ask, fam, leave a comment, tell the people, fam, when you go get this great job and start making this money, come back and share it with us. Let us know that we helped you out, fam, so that way we can keep the community going. Because everybody don't have money to get started. And my goal is to get you started. Now, as you got to start making money now, you can come back and fool with me. You know what I mean? I got some fees for you. But until then, get started, fam. I want you to learn. And I have seen so many comments from my brothers from Atlanta to Florida, from North Carolina to Georgia, to Texas, to Mississippi, to Chicago, Arkansas, like everybody, like in the state, Oklahoma, you know what I'm saying? Every place, fam, Memphis, that looks like me. They'd be so impressed and so encouraged to see someone that me that's picking up a flag and encouraging, giving information, and not trying to be a middleman. So I'm doing it for y'all, fam. And all I ask you to do is, fam, share it, support it, tell a friend. You know what I mean? Like, and once you start leveling up, fam, you know, come back and fool with me. I'm on all platforms. You can get some t-shirts from me. You know what I mean? I mess with brands like BOCOMAL. You can save 5% using my promo code. That's YWJR. My other brand that I'm associated with is ARCCAPTAIN. ARCCAPTAIN Welders. Right now, they got a sale going on that is big. You can save probably, fam, over $500 on the website. I just want to say that because if you go in there, you get some extra deals. Use the promo code, fam, YWJR. Save 5% on top of that. Whatever you going to sell on the save on the website. Great sales. I use the equipment. I use the welders, the 4-9. Everything I'm doing, I do it full time, in real time, fam. I'm teaching them how to blog. I'm teaching them how to show up. I'm teaching them how to document their journeys. So for those who've been following my journey, fam, I really do appreciate it. And today I just wanted to come live. I'm at my house, fam, before I get ready to hit the job. And I just want to say, fam, I believe in documenting the journey. I believe in practicing what I preach, fam. And I believe in going on the front line as well. I understand that we're in a situation right now. And I have seen certain wars where the king had to go out there. And I'm out there, fam. You know what I mean? I can't be safe in a safe space and try to help those who really need it. So if you need it, fam, I'm trying to help you. But I'm not trying to wake you up. I'm not trying to be your alarm clock. I'm not trying to say, hey, man, you know it's time to go work. No, I ain't doing none of that. But if you ready, fam, to get your hog on, visit yourweldingcoach.com. Visit Your Welding Coach on all platforms: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok. Hold on, fam. Be blessed.